Hi, just a short video to show this Dyson V8 Absolute. It comes in good clean condition. I've taken the brush bar, taken this all apart and cleaned it inside and out. Comes with a brand new replacement power supply, a low level elbow, a turbo brush, the wand. The wand just has slight marks on it and a small dent, very small dent there. And then the main unit. The filter's been washed, the head's been cleaned, bin's been cleaned. This does have a brand new 6000 mAh battery. Just for this listing, hasn't been used at all, it's brand new. I'll show it working quickly. So it's easy to push together. Now, this Dyson does have two modes. It has economy mode and maximum mode. So this is maximum mode. And economy mode. On economy mode, the battery lasts longer. Maximum mode drains the battery far quicker. To empty the bin, place over a container and pull the red lever up top, as such, and then tip out. The top will come up, the bottom will open, then you can tip your rubbish out. To close down, as such. Place on charge. Plug charger in here, the lights will come on. When the lights go out, it's charged. It takes 3 to 5 hours to charge, depending on how much you've used it. Do have other Dysons in stock, but once again, this is a brand new battery for this listing. Thanks for watching.